Hello children, this is part 4 of chapter 1 integers. In my previous video we have done till properties of subtraction of integers. Now I will start with some questions based on subtraction of integer. Now see here, I have some problems. Question number 4 is subtract 28 from minus 42. There is one word from. So whenever you see subtract some integer from the second one, so we write the second number first and the first number second with minus sign because we are subtracting. So the second number will come in first bracket and the first number will come in second bracket and subtraction sign since we are subtracting. Now we open the bracket. Minus 42 plus minus is minus. Minus plus will be minus. Minus 42 minus 28 will be minus 70. Since both are same sign, so we add them and put the sign given in the question. Now moving to the second question. Subtract minus 36 from 42. Again this second number will come first and the first number will come second. And we subtract them. See 42 minus 36. Now when we open the bracket, minus will become plus and 42 plus 36 will be plus 78. Now see the third question, minus 37 from minus 53. So minus 53 will be written first, minus 37 will come in the second bracket and the subtraction sign since we are subtracting. Minus 53 minus will be plus 37. Now one is negative, one is positive. So we subtract 53 from 37. What I will do? I will subtract 53 minus 37 and I will get 16. So 53 minus 37 is 16, but the sign will be of bigger number. So bigger number among 37 and 53 is 53. So sign of the bigger number. So answer is minus 16. Now come to question number 5. See here, 318 from 0. So the 0 will come first, first number will come second and minus sign since we are subtracting. So 0 is positive, 0 minus 318 will be minus 318 because 318 is bigger than 0, so negative sign. Now going to the next question, subtract the sum of minus 1032, 1032 and 878 means sum of these two numbers from minus 34. From minus 34. Now see here. As per question, I will add first minus 1032 and 878. So I am first adding these two numbers, finding sum of these two numbers. So since one number is negative and one number is positive, so method is we subtract bigger from smaller. 1032 minus 878 is 154 and the sign will be of the bigger number. Now question was subtract this sum from minus 34. So minus 34 will come first and the sum minus 154 will come in the second bracket and we have to find the difference. So I will open the bracket, minus 34 minus will be plus. So I get minus 34 plus 154. Again see here, one integer is negative, one is positive. So again bigger number minus smaller number means 154 minus 34 will be 120 and the sign will be of bigger number. Now see the next question, subtract minus 134 from the sum of these two numbers. So first find the sum of 38 and minus 87. 38 and minus 87 sum of. So when I open the bracket, minus plus will be minus 38 minus 87. One is positive, one is negative. So 87 minus 38 will be 49. So 49 and the sign of the bigger number. Now we get the sum. Now this sum from the sum, so sum will come first and this minus 134 will come in the second bracket and we have to subtract it. Now open the bracket, minus 49 minus minus plus 134. Again one is negative, one is positive. So 134 minus 49 will be 85 and the sign of the bigger number. So answer will be 85. Similarly, coming to the question number 8, similar type subtraction of integer. We are seeing two curly brackets in the question and small brackets. So as per rule, first we will remove the small bracket. So see in the next step, I will first remove the small bracket. Minus 13 minus minus will be plus 27. Similarly, in the second curly bracket, minus 25 minus minus will be plus 40. Now I will solve the curly brackets. So one is positive, one is negative. So 27 minus 13 will be 14 and the sign of the bigger number in the bracket. Similarly, in the second curly bracket, one is negative, one is positive. So 40 minus 25 is 15 and the sign of the bigger number is plus. So now I get a single number in the curly bracket. So I will remove this curly bracket. And here it is plus inside. So it is plus. 14 plus 15 is 29. So our answer is 29. Now moving to question number 9. See here. Find 36 minus 64 and minus 64 minus 36. Numbers are reversed. Here first number is 36, second is minus 64. Here first is minus 64, second is 36. Means the numbers are reversed and we are subtracting them. So we have done the properties of subtraction, that the subtraction is not commutative. So our answer will not come same. Follow that property, second property of addition of subtraction. Question is, are they equal? So we will have left hand side, means this side 36 and this minus will be plus 64. 36 plus 64 is 100. Now on the right hand side we have minus 64 minus 36. So minus 64 minus 36 both are negative. So we will add them and the sign will be of minus sign. Now are these LHS and RHS same? No, because the sign is not same, because this is plus 100 and this is minus 100. So are they equal? Question is, are they equal? So we will write no, they are not equal. Now see question number 10. If A is minus 8, B is minus 7, C is equal to 6, verify that A plus B plus C, means A plus B in bracket, is equal to A plus B plus C. Now B plus C in the bracket. We have to verify. Verify means we have to show RHS and LHS are same. So I am taking first LHS. See here, LHS, A plus B, first two numbers in the bracket. So A is minus 8, B is minus 7, C is 6. So first we will remove, as I have told you, first we will remove small bracket, plus minus minus. Then I will solve this square bracket is minus 15 and then minus 15 plus 6. 15 minus 6 is 9 and the sign of the bigger number. So LHS comes 9. Now see, write RHS, A plus B plus C. Now second and third number in the bracket. So A is minus 8, B is minus 7, C is 6 given in the question. Now I will solve this first. Minus 7 plus 6 is minus 1. Plus minus is minus. Minus 8 minus 1 will be minus 9. So what I get? RHS minus 9 and LHS also minus 9. Means LHS and RHS are same. So hence it is verified, since we have to verify it. Now the similar type of question, you see the 10th 11th question. If a is equal to minus 9 and b is equal to minus 6, show that. Instead of writing verify that, it is written show that a minus b is not equal to b minus c. So now LHS and RHS will not come same. And show that means again verify that, means LHS and RHS. Wherever you see verify that and show that, means you have to show LHS and RHS. Coming to our LHS, a minus b. A is minus 9, B is minus 6, and this is the minus sign. Now open the bracket, minus minus will be plus, minus 9 plus 6 is minus 3. Now on this RHS side, we will reverse B minus A. Minus 6 minus A is minus 9. Open the bracket, minus minus will be plus, minus 6 plus 9. So 9 minus 6 will be 3 and the sign of the bigger number. LHS is minus 3, RHS is plus 3. Both are not same. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Hence, verified. The next question is, the sum of two integers is minus 16. If one of them is 53, find the other. So in problem sums, whatever you have to find the other. So we suppose let other number be x. Now according to the question, sum of two integers is minus 16. 1 is 53. So 53 plus other number is x. 53 plus x and the sum of two number is minus 16. Sum of two number is minus 16. Now take this plus 53 to RHS side. So we know if anything goes from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, the sign will change. Since 53 is positive, going to right hand side it will become negative. So minus 16 minus 53 will be minus 69, same sign. So we add them and minus. So our other number is minus 69. Now see the next question. The difference of an integer a and minus 6 is 4. Find the value of a. According to the question, a and minus 6, difference of a and minus 6. So a and minus 6, their difference is 4. Is means equal to. Now minus minus will be plus, and in that a will be 4 and this plus 6 will move to the next side, minus 6. 4 minus 6 will be minus 2. So the value of a is minus 2.